morning to all. My name is Joshna. I am studying 9th class in Williams CAG International School. Today I am saying about English project, that is about importance of learning English. I am saying I took some persons. In these persons, how that English plays a main role I am going to say. First, if you will take sportsman, in that cricketer, if you will take only batting or bowling or keeping not there, everyone will think if they know that they can play like anything, they can win like that. Not winning is not important. If they will go to another state or state also no problem, but if they will go to another countries to play national level or like that, means all country people will come, then that is very difficult to speak with them. If they don't know English, all they will speak in English, so they can't communicate with them properly and they can't understand what they are speaking, and that people can't understand what these people are speaking, so total it collapse. So they have to know compulsory English or any other language, not important. All people, all country people knowing English, so if you learn English, that is enough. So sportsman life, English plays main role. And next second one, if you will take artists, means artists will be knowing Telugu, English, many languages they will be knowing, but some people who don't know English mainly, they will suffer, because any heroine, film director or any producer, they will come, they will speak with them, they will communicate with them only in English. Why? Because nowadays all are speaking English only, so they will communicate. If they don't know English, they'll suffer like anything. To when they're making any shoots or anything, they have to communicate with them only English, so they can't do properly, and they won't success in their life. When they are doing any film, they can't success. So artists have to know English, that is important in their life. English is important for that. And next, if you come to politician, if you take Chandrababu Naidu, he is CM of only, if he will become CM, no, not suppose he is CM only for Andhra Pradesh, but if you want to discuss with another state CMs, means or any, if you want to speak in India PM or anyone with any president or means, compulsory you have to know English and you have to communicate with them only English. Why? Because they speak PM Modi also will speak only English, he don't know Telugu, I think. So compulsory you have to know English to communicate with other state people or with state CMs or PM, President of India, anybody. So you have to know compulsory English, these politicians also. Next, if we come to film director, even film director also have to know English. Now only I have told for artists, even they, if artists, hero, heroine, producers, they know English, and this film director don't know Telugu, means that is very difficult to communicate with them and to say what his story or anything to direct, that very difficult to say. So this film director also has to know compulsory that English, and you have to communicate only in English with them. So in his life, English plays like this, English play main role in his life also when he have to do films. If he don't know English, means compulsory, that is waste to do that. Why? Because if he can't communicate with them in English, means then he is unable to say that movie and unable to do the direction or anything. So in his life also very important English. Now if you take about a builder, means builder, if you want to build any states or any countries, he is a very big builder, but he don't know English in Nepal, like that, means he can't communicate with them in English, so he will fail and he will come for back. So we have to speak, so he have to know compulsory English. So in his life also this English plays main role in builder also. If you take student, it is very important in student life. Why? Because even I am also student. Now I am saying, if I don't know English, now I can't explain like this project I can't do. And if you take if she is state level, in state she got first rank, in country wise first rank also, she don't know English, she can't, she is zero without English. Why? Because if she will go to IIT or any interviews, they will speak only in English, they will communicate only in English. If she can't communicate in English, they will remove at the time only, they won't speak anything and they will say her to go out. So compulsory in student life, English is very important. Now if we come to businessman life also English is very important. It plays main role in business means compulsory. Why? Because he have to communicate with the other countries. That if you want to do business means worldwide he will be doing big businessman. Maybe if you think compulsory you have to know English. Why? Because without English he can't speak anything, he can't communicate with them in English. If you speak only Telugu, like that means they can't understand and they will say to go him. So compulsory that businessman also needed English. Now I have told this person's life how that English plays main role. That is my project. Thank you.